Hello everybody. In this video I will teach you how to make a walking man sequence in the Adobe Flash CS5 or CS6. First of all, you have to open your software Adobe Flash Professional CS6. If you have CS5, there's no problem. So let's start it and go to ActionScript 3.0, or you can also open your ActionScript 2.0, but I'm using it. Here you can see the layer 1 and the timeline. You can see it. First of all, we will create a background so that we can use our player or man to walk on it. So first of all, choose a rectangular tool so that we can make something grass like structure. Okay, fine. Oh, it is black color, so we have to change its color from the properties and give it some color like this. Okay, fine. Now change its name, layer name, double click on it and change it to background. Create another layer for the man we are going to create and double click on it, name it to walking man. Okay, now we will choose a brush tool and the color we will set it as black. Here we will choose brush tool and the size of the brush will be adjusted from here and it is fine. Now we will create a leg. Okay, it is not perfect, so we will create something like this. Now it's good. So this is the leg and right click on it, go to convert to symbol, name it leg 1, type should be movie clip, then click OK. Now double click on it and right click over it to convert it to the graphic symbol, name it leg 1 graphic, change it to graphic and click OK. Now we have a graphic symbol and now okay, and we will choose this free transform so that we can adjust our rotation. You can see we can rotate it now, but the rotation is around the between of the leg. So if we transform this to corner, now you can see it is perfectly rotating around the corner of the leg, so it's perfect. Now we will insert the keyframe on 20, right click on it 20 and go to insert keyframe between 1 to 20, right click on it and choose create motion tool. Again on 10 we will create insert a frame rotation and first of all make it something like this on 1 and 20, because both the position would be same first and last position. Okay, now on 10 this is, and on 19 create another insert keyframe or as rotation, move it to backward. Now test your movie, is it working perfect or not? See, it's not perfect, there is some mistake. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, there it is. Now move it to backward. Sorry, select it. It is like this, and now move it to backward. Again move it to forward. Okay, now check your movie. See, it is perfect now. So we will create another leg similar to this. First of all, double click on it, back to the main timeline, and we have to draw another leg similar, something like this. It might be different, but I'm going to use it. We can draw properly. Okay, fine. We are not going to make it perfect. Right click on it, convert to symbol, type change to movie clip and name it as leg 2. Click OK, double click on it, right click on it to convert to symbol so that we can change it to leg 2 graphic. Movie click, type should be graphic, and we can now rotate it. We have to choose transformation, free transformation tool, and now we can rotate it from the middle of the leg, but we have to transform the rotation axis to corner of the leg, and now we can transform it properly. See how it's working. It's fine. So now this leg is in starting is forward, now we will make it backward. So insert a keyframe at 20. Okay, and another, now twin, create motion twin. We will move this to forward, this. Okay, fine. Now click on the 19th here. Now choose insert keyframe rotation and now move it to backward again. Now see, both should be same. Little okay, here it is little down. It's fine. Now it's good. It's good. It's good. Now we will check our scene. See it, how it is working. Perfect. Now we will create our legs. Double click on it and choose the brush tool again to make our legs. This is our first hand. We are going to create, right, convert to symbol, name it arm. This is our hand, and we will create it arm 1. Change it to movie click. Okay, now double click on it and right click and convert it to graphics. Arm 1 graphic, name it as graph, type should be graphic, and now the hand we have just symbolized will be animated. Now we will similarly insert a keyframe at 20. Before we insert move, we have to transform our axis to the corner of the hand or near the shoulder. So we will again insert a keyframe. First of all, we will twin it. We will create a motion twin. Now we will insert a rotation keyframe. See, now move it this, sorry, here, click here and move it to this. Now insert another keyframe which will work on rotation and move it to this. Okay, fine. We will test this same. Okay, it's working fine. Now double click on it, back to the main timeline and create our second hand. We are going to create our second hand, so it would be, sorry, it's so thick. No, this is, I don't think this is perfect. It's not. Oh, sorry. Convert to symbol and arm 2, movie click, OK, right click, convert to arm 2 graphics, and change it to graphic, click OK. Now we will insert a keyframe at 20. Fine. Now let's change its location something. We will choose the free transform to change the axis of the rotation over, sorry, not there, it should be here, and now move it little upward. Okay, fine, and should be little, axis should be here. Okay, now motion twin, it should be forward, again a motion twin, a rotation keyframe which will make it backward. Okay, fine. Now we will test our scene. Is it working perfectly or not? See, it seems like good, but there's a little coordination mistake. Okay, now we will check again. Fine. Check again. It's working. Almost. We can move this. Sorry. We can double click on it. Double click on it. Move little here. Now test how it will be working fine. Now it's good. So it's time to create body. So here we will create body. Size of the brush I will take is little bigger. Now it's time to create a head. Oh, wait. I have to choose the bigger circle. Okay, fine. Now check your see, it's working perfectly. It's working. It's working fine. Now you can convert to symbol, name it body. You can click, convert it to graphics, body graphic. Okay, oh sorry, body. Okay, it's fine. Back to the change, check once again. Everything is perfect. Now we will select this and in order to make it perfect, double click, here we will select all these three, but okay, fine. Now convert it. Now once again, let me correct it. Control Z. Okay, first I would like to make it complete. Let me delete it. Okay, now to symbol, edit man, let it be movie click. Fine. Now this man will walk everywhere, and background is little hazy. Now we have to create another background. Sorry, change its properties, make it green. Okay, fine. Okay, test it another time. See, he's walking in the on the grass. Now we can make it walk forward and backward via this code, and so stage dot focus stage. We will add an event listener. Stage dot add event listener keyword event dot keyword event dot key up, key down, and a function name like something like key down handler. Okay, fine. Now move on to another first of all we will create a function. Okay, function key down handler input parameter keyword event return type. Return type is void. Now function we will type something switch case e dot key code. Okay, it is key code. Now switch case 37 is here for the backward arrow. So if man dot x equal to -10, now break case 39 we space 39 we will type man dot x plus equal to 10. So default break. We will now check